guys, it's Carolina here from Carolina's Crafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have another swap unboxing for you guys. It's like all these swaps are just like coming all at once, but I'm loving it. I'm loving all this happy mail. So for this one, it was also part of the Loaded Envelope Galore and More Facebook group, and we needed to create like a loaded suitcase memory dex card. So in the suitcase, loaded, I guess, meant a really chunky layered embellishment. That's what we were supposed to make to put into the little suitcase memory decks. So I'm gonna see what Kristen wrote here because I should see that she also included a note. Oh my god, I'm seeing some stitching. This is so stinking cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, and she made this gorgeous card. Oh, I love it. It's as pretty as a picture. She has some acetate here. This little cut apart chipboard. A doily. Oh my god, so cute. Let me just read this. Oh, yay, she left me her Instagram. So it's Scooter Bug Corner. Okay, I will definitely be tagging her. Thank you so much. All right, so let's see what she included in here. Oh my god, why is there so much stuff in here? Oh my gosh, I can't, guys. I can't. This is her memory dex card suitcase. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. I see like stitching already and I'm just like, wow. Oh, she used Sunny Days. Look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, I love the little pom-poms. I didn't realize they weren't stuck down. I thought they were, but I love that because I love pink pom-poms and I don't have any of this color. So thank you so much for sending me some pink pom-poms. Did I mention this is from Kristen Nestor? I don't know. I hope I'm saying her name right too, but oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, she made a shaker in the back too. There's acetate there. Ah, so cute. Oh, I love it. Oh, what is this? Is this a die? Like this pretty like wave? That is so cute. Wow, girly, I love this. Thank you so much. I love it already. Look how cute. Okay, so then this opens up and inside of here, what does she have? Oh, she even decorated the bottom too. Look at this chunky layered like rosette thing that she has. Oh my god. This is so stinking cute. Look at this cute little ice cream. Oh my goodness. Wow. I thought I did good on my first Loaded Envelope Galore and More swap, but now these girls just like sent me so much more than I sent them, and now I feel bad. Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. She used seam binding. She got a tag back here. Let me just go through the layers. So she has like a doily, then a rosette. Oh my god, that she didn't put together, but it's like kind of put together to add a little dimension but flattened out. I've never seen that before. I love that. Then she has like a crepe paper rosette here, some jemmies. I love these jemmies. She has this tag with this beautiful seam binding here. What is this like star thing? Oh my god, I love how she just like layered random stuff on here. She even has like this acetate thing here. Oh, I love it. She has another little like a scalloped circle thing. This sunglasses from the Sunny Days collection. Look at this little umbrella. How adorable! Oh my god, that is so cute. She has this bathing suit and she wrapped gold thread around it. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Look at these charms down here too. Oh, she added like a paper clip to include the charms. How cute! Oh, these are beautiful beads. Oh, there's a bathing suit charm. Are you guys seeing that? Look how stinking cute! And she wire wrapped these beads. Oh, I love the colors. I don't have any of these. They're so pretty. She got pom-pom on here. Look at this little ice cream. Oh my goodness. She put like two little pom-poms together on this cute little teeny tiny little ice cream cone. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Thank you so much, Kristen. This is so stinking cute. I love it so much. Oh my gosh. Wow. Like this would have been enough, girly. I'm already impressed. Thank you so much. Okay, but she did send some more stuff. Oh my god, why did you send me so much, girly? Oh my goodness. Okay, so here she has this cute little envelope that she created. Oh my god, inside of here, oh my gosh, she sent me some Sunny Days ephemera. Thank you so much. I'm actually crafting with Sunny Days right now for a summer swap, so I'm so excited. Thank you so much. Ah, I love it. Girly. Wow, you sent me so many goodies. Okay, so there was that, and then the last thing, she created this cute little like envelope using Project Sparkle's tutorial. Oh my goodness, and she tied it with the cute little seam binding. Oh, I love how you tied that. That is so cute. And she made it a cute little shaker, and inside of here she has some goodies. So inside of here she has this cute like layered embellishment. I love that she used gold thread as well. Look how cute. She has like I love these little things that she just layers. The acetate is here. She got some ephemera. I still have to make some of these like stitched like random strips of paper. They're so cute. I still have to make some. I love that you did all the stitching. Oh my gosh, and here she has a rosette layered with some tulle. Oh, that is some gorgeous tulle. Then one of those clear pieces again, the enamel dots. She got this umbrella, some of that sewn strip of paper. What is that? Oh, I think that's part of the Sunny Days. I don't have that. Ah, so cute. And she layered some chipboard. She got some pom-pom here. It says, take me somewhere. Oh my god, this is so cute. Thank you so much. I love it all. Oh my goodness, Kristen. I didn't send you this much. I feel terrible, guys. I feel so bad. Oh my gosh, Kristen. Thank you so much for sending these gorgeous goodies my way. I absolutely love it. It's all so stunning. Oh my goodness, and I love that you use Sunny Days. I've been in like summer crafting mode too. Oh my goodness, I just absolutely am in love. Thank you so much, girl. All right, guys, definitely check out her channel or her Instagram. She is Scooter Bug Corner, and I will also have a link down below so you guys could just check her out. She's an amazing crafter. I love it all. Thank you so much, guys, and I will link down below what I sent her, but it is nothing compared to this, so you might as well just not even bother watching what I sent her. Just check out her her Instagram. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. Bye.